Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. As for today, we are going to continue our lesson in topic gardening. Okay, this one you also can refer to your textbook on page 45. Okay, let me read first. Spinach. This is spinach. It is green. It is a leafy vegetable. Spinach is rich in vitamin A. It improves our eyesight. It is also good for our skin. Spinach can be cooked or eaten raw. Okay, the story is about spinach. Sayur apa ni? Spinach is bayam. Okay, this is spinach. Ini ialah bayam. It is green. The color is green. And it is a leafy vegetable. Sayur jenis yang berdaun. Ada sayur yang tak ada daun kan? Like carrot, tomato. Yang tu bukan jenis leafy vegetable. But spinach is leafy vegetable. Okay, spinach is rich in vitamin A. Dia kaya dengan vitamin A. This is very good for your eyesight and also good for your skin. Spinach can be cooked or eaten raw. Boleh dimasak dan boleh juga kalau awak nak makan without cooking first. Tak dimasak pun boleh. Okay, so when you understand this, you can do this activity. Boleh buat latihan yang ini. Like usual, first you have to write down the day and date. Today is Wednesday. July 2021. Okay, like the first one. I'm using my blue pen. You can do this by refer back to that textbook yang kita belajar tadi kan. So the first one, this is spinach. It is green. Okay, the rest awak buat sendiri ya. Boleh tengok balik pada textbook tadi. Okay, then for this activity, you have to rearrange and write. First, don't forget to write down the day and date. And then awak kena rearrange balik ayat ni. Ayat ni dia berterabur. So, what is the first one? Gardening is Miss Lim's hobby. What is the correct answer? So, we must start with Miss Lim's hobby. Then is gardening. Okay. Apa clue yang awak boleh tahu daripada ayat ni? Okay. First, awak boleh tengok yang mana guna capital letter. Because when we want to start our sentence, we must use capital letter. Like this, okay, she. S, dia guna capital letter, right? Huruf besar. Then we put this first. She use what? Mesti ada dia punya object dia. She used a lawnmower and then to cut grass. Full stop. You see? Dia put full stop here. Ada titik. Titik must be last sekali. Mesti letak belakang sekali kan? Okay. Then you can finish number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6. Try to do by yourself, okay? Then, the last one. Write down the day and date. Okay. Look at the example. Nani used a hoe to remove weeds. She used hoe to remove weeds. Dia dah tulis dah kat sini kan. So number 1, Nani used a watering can to water plants. Very good. Nani used a watering can to water plants. Okay, watering can to water plants. So, what is the use of rake? Nani use a rake to gather fallen leaves. Rake pencakar tu kan, untuk mengumpulkan daun-daun yang gugur. So you finish trolls. What is the use of trolls and lawnmower? Finish and then you rewrite. Tulis balik cantik-cantik. Okay, one more thing that we learn today in our online class, we also learn about a versus an. Okay, bila kita nak guna a dan bila kita nak guna an. A or an. Does the next word begin with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U? We use an. If yes, we use an. If no, we use a. Dia macam ni. A or an, we use for one object. Benda yang ada satu. Let's say apple. Bag. It is one only. One apple. Kalau banyak apple, dah kita guna apples. Kan? Dia ada S belakang dia. Tapi ni untuk one thing. Okay, let's say okay. We use a. Kalau objek lepas tu, let's say papaya. Papaya ni consonant kan? Huruf selain A, E, I, O, U. Kalau N, dia mesti start from A, E, I, O, U. This is actually, kita boleh tengok the first letter of the thing. Let's say N, apple. Memang start daripada huruf A kan? Kita akan guna N. Tapi sebenarnya, kita tengok dia punya vowel sound. Bunyi dia. Sebab nanti, you might find ada benda yang mula dengan huruf A, E, I, O, U tapi kita guna A. Tu tak apalah, later on kita akan belajar yang tu. Cuma basic yang awak kena faham is the thing is one, like one apple, one papaya. Which one to use A, which one to use N? Okay, kita akan guna N untuk anything that sound, letter sound dia A, E, I, O, U, like apple. Okay, what is the example for E? An apple, an elephant. What else? An igloo, an orange, an umbrella. Kenapa kita sebut N? Sebab dia punya vowel sound start dengan huruf vowel A, E, I, O, U. Kalau A other than A, E, I, O, U, like a papaya, a bag, a shoe, a nose, a cake. This is all we use a. And special case untuk vowel sounds only. You understand this? Okay, look at the example. An eye. One eye only, satu je mata, and we use an because the vowel is vowel sound. Okay. An actor, we use an. An oven, we also use an. This one, a tree because it starts with consonant. Huruf selain A, E, I, O, U. A dog. A bed. Okey, yang ni awak akan buat latihan dalam word wall yang teacher bagi dekat group WhatsApp Okey, let us do this together. Remember, we use a untuk consonant selain A, E, I, O, U, and we use N for vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. So this one, a book, an ant, a cat, an apple, a bow, a girl, an elephant, an igloo, an eye, a kite, an egg, and an octopus. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand, and if you have any problems, do not hesitate to WhatsApp me. WhatsApp teacher kalau tak faham apa-apa, okay? Okay, thank you and bye.